Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, trailering package, rear window defroster, navigation system, power sliding rear window, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.